Hi, Dr. Engage. I brief the creation of the proposed innovation. One question. How are you protect the IP generated from the proposed innovation? We all know the importance of IP. For the reason what we want is to look for all possible alternatives for our company to provide relief IP. Two questions. How are you evaluating the proposal? I believe the proposal very high because of the importance it has for the company. Third question. Under what conditions will the proposed security be traded? We are going to use a filter of clients who want to access software. Thank you for your attention.